Hey kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yours Molly.
Today, we are going to learn some animal alphabets from A to Z.
Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for ant. B is for buffalo. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for numbat. O is for ox. P is for panda. Q is for quokka. R is for rhinoceros. S is for squirrel. T is for tiger. U is for Uriel. V is for vicuna. W is for wolf. X is for xerus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra.
Hey kids!
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.